Welcome to stage 9. This is a very quick video. We only need to add one single part. That's the part that we just made, that right angle with a curved edge. So open the main assembly. Also open that right angle beam with curve part that we just made. And then from within the main assembly, let's go to Assembly, Insert Components. Let's choose that right angle beam with curve part. And let's insert it and spin it round to the correct orientation. We can then zoom in, get a circular edge inside the axle hole, and also circular edge on the axle, and we can make those concentric. And we can lock the rotation from the pop-up menu. Remember, you can also go down to the makes at the bottom of the parts tree, and you can lock the rotation there. We can then just move it into the correct position. Let's select this inside face, and also the outside face of this bush part, and let's make those coincident. And that's all there is to it. Probably one of the simplest assembly steps that we've done so far, so you can save your assembly. In the next section, we'll be going on to stage 10, and for that we need to make two new parts, but they're pretty similar to things we've already made.